Is there a list of Pytz Timezones? I would like to know what are all the possible values for the timezone argument in the Python library Pytz. How to do it.
You can list all the available timezones with pytz.all_timezones. There is also pytz.common_timezones.
Don't create your own list. Pytz has a built-in set. You can then apply a time zone. Or if you already have a datetime object that is TZ aware, not naive.
The timezone name is the only reliable way to specify the timezone. You can find a list of timezone names here. This URL. Note that this list contains a lot of alias names, such as a/Eastern for the timezone that is properly called America/New_York. If you programmatically want to create this list from the ZoneInfo database, you can compile it from the zone.tab file in the ZoneInfo database. I don't think Pytz has an API to get them, and I also don't think it would be very useful.
Here is a Python list of country codes, names, continents, capitals, and Pytz time zones. For the full list, see this GitHub gist.
Available from Python 3.9. ZoneInfo, new module in Python 3.9 which works with the database of IANA. In order to grab all the available time zones, first, and then,
if you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.